Breathing while running can feel like a challenge, but it doesn't have to be. The key is to focus on deep belly breathing instead of shallow chest breaths. Inhale through your nose for a count of 3, letting your belly expand, then exhale through your mouth for a count of 4. This helps maximize oxygen intake and keeps you relaxed. Try to sync your breath with your strides, like inhaling for 3 steps and exhaling for 2. And remember, if you start to feel winded, slow down your pace. It's all about finding your rhythm and staying calm. With practice, you'll run longer and breathe easier.